Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these rings with air dry clay, and also we are gonna sell this in different kind of rings and earrings on our Instagram page called bling.com. So make sure to check it out. Link is in the description box. Let's start with the video. Bougie bougie.
One, two, three, funk it.
So let's start. सबसे पहले हम लेंगे एयर ड्राई क्ले. I got this from Amazon. If you want to buy, link is in the description box. Then we'll take a small amount of clay and knead it for 1 minute until it gets soft. Then take a plastic sheet. If you don't have plastic sheet, then use oil. I used both. I'll make the clay non-sticky. This acrylic glass I brought for that glass painting video. So I used this to make the clay flat and even from all the sides. Then to roll the clay, use the rolling pin if you have, and if you don't have, like me, use the pen or any circular object. Then by using any sharp object, cut the edges of the clay. Cut one side of the clay, place it on your finger, take the size and cut the other side. And then with the help of water, smooth the joints. After that, take a small amount of clay, cut that into a circular shape, and then cut that into a heart shape. If you have a heart shape, cut that direct in a heart shape. I don't have a heart shape, so I use scale to make a heart. Watch me. This is me wasting time to figure out how to cut a heart shape and not spending less than 10 rupees to buy it from a local store. At the end, I cut the perfect heart shape and thought, forget it, I'm never buying a heart shape again, even if it's for free. Not for, I'll take it if it's free, but I'm never buying it. Sorry, the video got blur, like our future. Anyways, take your ring, scratch that, take your heart, scratch, not your, take the heart, scratch that with a sharp object and stick it with the glue. Then I repeated the same process for the other rings. To make these rings, I cut the edges first and then cut the clay into 3 equal parts because I want 3 rings. If you want 2, cut that into 2. If you want 4, cut that into 4. Then repeat the whole same process as we did for the first ring. Do not forget to smooth the edges or joints with the water. Then for the third ring, repeat the same process as we did for the first and the second ring. Then for the eyes, take the smallest मतलब एकदम smallest, जितना आपके क्रश को आपके लिए फीलिंग्स है उतना smallest, उससे ज़्यादा but smallest amount of a clay and stick it with a glue. Don't use glue, it didn't work. I used the tar that I have from the earring wala video. Yes, that one. Use the tar and place it in our eyes in the clay and then press it into the ring. Just watch what I'm doing. After placing the eyes on the ring with the help of tar, don't forget to smooth it with the water or use the glue to smooth it, but make it secure. Yes, we are done. See you after 24 hours when it completely dries.
Day 2.
And then paint it with your favorite color. No, green is not my favorite color, but I want to make the frog, so I painted green. Then I also painted the other ring green because I want to make it a set. Then I used the marker pen to give a smile on a frog face. After that, for the black paint, for the eyes, take the black paint and the back of the brush and make the eyes. Then to make our frog look cute, I added white dots in his eyes. And on the other ring, I added, what do we call that, cow print type print or the uneven circles. And tada! I painted all the other rings and this is how it looks. Yep, we are done. I hope you like it. Comment down which one is your favorite and don't forget to check our small business on our Instagram page called bling.com. So link is in the description. Make sure to check it out and like this video, share as much as you can and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you will get a notification. Bye. See you in the next video.